Every single video that is in my feed is designed for one mission and one purpose only, and that's to help you be your best and the healthiest version of yourself. And I'm happy to be your virtual cheerleader, cheering you on as you conquer your challenges. All right, so listen up. When we talk about abuse from a narcissist, quite often our minds just suddenly switch over to physical abuse. And just so we're clear that if someone is throwing punches, you are dealing with a physical abuser. Now here's an interesting observation that both physical abuse and emotional abuse, they both fall under the same kind of dark black umbrella. They both come from that deep desire to just gain control over another person and to groom someone into physical abuse. Narcissists quite often start with emotional abuse. They have to make their victims ready for the physical abuse. So if you're at the emotional abuse stage of this relationship, there is a chance that if things don't change soon, eventually things might escalate to the physical level. Now, a narcissistic abuser, they're basically someone who's abusive and they can't really handle their own emotions. They can't handle the life's everyday stuff. So what do? They try to gain control because deep down, they can't really stand the thought of not having control over a person or control over every single situation. So whether it's physical or emotional abuse, they will unleash a whirlwind of tactics in order just to maintain their little grip, their little control over you. And physical abuse, what is that? That's basically using just brute force to control someone. It's like a power trip that's gone way wrong. But emotional abuse, it's a different game. These cunning individuals dive right into our minds and messing with our own self-confidence. They're like master manipulators, pulling all the strings from within, one at a time, one at a time. The name of the game basically comes down to one thing. It comes down to control. And emotional abusers, well, they basically see themselves as puppet masters, and they're there pulling every single string. They know that these strings are attached to your mind. And if they can control your mind, they control your thoughts. If they control your thoughts, they control your behavior. And it's a really twisted form of brainwashing where they mold you into their little plaything. Hope you like this clip on emotional abuse. The link to the full video is in the descriptions. Please like and follow.